So what are you doing here?
So I'm going to be installing my X47 turbo along with my catless downpipe onto my Fiesta ST. It's pretty much it's stock tuned right now. It'll be getting tuned after we get the turbocharger on there. It's the X47, so on the 93 tune, hopefully it'll be making about 280, 285 horsepower to the wheel. Right now it's got a stock, not stock, it's got a aftermarket intercooler in here. It's that Depot. I got the FS Works intake, an MBRP catback exhaust, and a Boombo adapter blow-off valve, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be using that one again or if I'm just going to leave it on there. It is loud. It's fun and annoying at the same time. So I'll be recording.
And this is the stuff.
This is the downpipe here. It's got the defouler on it. Catless downpipe. This is a stock turbo. It's rebuilt to have a bigger bore and different turbines in there. This is a Turbo Smart wastegate, so we're just going to go ahead and do the manifold and turbo swap. It'll just make things easier. One less thing to take off of my car. My car's totally put together currently, so I'm going to start the bolting process, and we will continue to kind of report our progress throughout. It's not that hard of a project once you get thinking about it. Hardest part is probably just taking off the heat shields, honestly. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So what's your goal tonight?
Our goal is to hopefully, maybe we'll get it done tonight. The guy that's coming over to help me out with everything is the owner of this original setup. His car is currently not operating. He's waiting for my stock parts. He's going to be selling his car, so I never thought I'd be going big turbo, but this year was a big year for me. So I got my ZX10 and I got my big turbo all in the same year, which I wrote down as my New Year's resolution. It's that kind of time of year again where you start thinking about your New Year's resolutions and what you want to accomplish this next year, and I've accomplished 2 of my main goals for this year, so stay positive. Hopefully this is going to be a smooth, easy install. You can always replace your gaskets. This is as far as I've gotten. Headlights, upper lower cowl, windshield wipers are now out of their headlight. I got my cover off down there. It's a half-assed engine bay cleaning. I'm going to continue to take this off. We should be pretty damn close to getting to where we need to be. Everything that's going down is right on back here. Needed to get that heat shield off, and that's where the manifold is. That heat shield down there with these O2 sensors, that downpipe, we'll crawl underneath and get all that stuff taken out and taken care of. So I'll be back with an update when we get there. It's all pretty easy. I think everything I've taken out so far and bolts wise is right in this corner here. That's it. These bolts here. That's all I've taken out. It's really simple, not too difficult so far. So, alright, so we're back. It appears that there has been no progress made. However, I started taking out the last couple of bolts I needed to for my heat shields. I don't know if that, maybe I can get in there and show you a little bit, but this heat shield here is totally loose now. There's one hiding all the way back down here. I took the 3 that were off of this bad boy, so time to start taking this shit out. So I think I'm going to want to drain these coolant lines first. Coolant line here, and this coolant line here, so I can move those out of the way and get to that manifold back there. Recorded everything before you got here, like just random stuff that I had done, and I kind of just forgot to do the rest of it, so here we go. You want to get back there?
What did that happen?